What's up everyone, my name is Mohit. Today I'm going to review Dripify, a tool that claims to help you automate your LinkedIn outreach and close more sales without the manual grind. I'll cover the features that actually matter, the pros and cons, and the current pricing in 2025, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. As always, this isn't a sponsored video, just my honest experience and research, so you can make an informed choice. So Dripify is basically a LinkedIn automation platform designed for sales team, marketers, and recruiters. In short, it helps you automate repetitive LinkedIn tasks like sending connection requests, personalized follow-up messages, and profile visits. So you can focus on actually closing deals. The company has been improving very fast. Just this year, they rolled out features like rating send messages and using leads from the past campaign. That means it's getting more competitive in 2025. And honestly, it shows they are listening to user feedback. Now I'm inside Dripify campaign, and this is where Dripify really stands out. You can create multi-automated sequence that runs on complete autopilot. To give you an example, I'll create a campaign. I'll go on campaign, create a campaign, add new leads. I'll pick this basic LinkedIn search. Next, you just have to copy a URL. So now I've created a LinkedIn search. Just copy this URL, paste it here. Just click next, tap on next, give it a name. I'm gonna name it Coaches in USA. Create a list. That's it. Tap on next. Now here you can create a sequence. They've already given multiple templates. You can pick whatever you like. I'm going for lead generation. Just tap on lead generation. As you can see, they've already made a sequence. Just tap on send connection request. Write whatever you want. Hey, first name, looking forward to connect. Save. That's it. If they accept a connection request, we'll endorse the skill after an hour. And after 1 hour, you can create a follow-up message. Similarly, if they don't accept a connection request message, you'll have a different flow. Like after 5 days, you'll follow their profile so that they get a notification. And if they don't accept a connection request again, after a few more days, you'll view their LinkedIn profile. Once done that, you can just write the campaign name. I'm writing Coaches in USA. Save and launch. In my opinion, the interface is clean and intuitive, way easier than competitors like DuckSoap or LinkedIn Helper. Then you can customize the delay and you can use merge tag to personalize the messages with the prospect name or company name. In my experience, it's plug and play. I had campaign running in literally minutes compared to other tools. Dripify's drag and drop builder is faster and less overwhelming for beginners. Dripify gives you a centralized inbox so you can reply to all the LinkedIn conversation without jumping between tabs. You can tag leads, add note, mark priorities, and even export them as a CSV file. The real value here is everything that is generated from your campaign lands in just one spot, so you don't miss replies. In my experience, it works very well for managing conversation, though some users mention the inbox update are very slow compared to other native LinkedIn tools. One thing to note is, if you use LinkedIn Recruiter or Sales Navigator extensively, Dripify doesn't capture all the messages from those platforms, which can be a pain, but for standard LinkedIn outreach, it's a solid 10 out of 10. Dripify's analytic dashboard is one of its strongest points. You can get real data on acceptance rate, response rate, daily activities, and visual funnel showing exactly where the prospect drop off and in your campaign. You can see which messages perform best, which sequence converts the best, and how many invites you have sent each day. This is crucial because LinkedIn has weekly limits around 100 connection requests per week, but Dripify's algorithm respects these limits and keep your account safe. In my experience, the report is honest and useful. You're not getting fluff. You're getting actionable data to optimize your outreach. Dripify's analytics are more comparable, though some tools like SalesRobot offer more and advanced cohort analysis. If you're running a sales team, Dripify Team feature lets you manage multiple users from one dashboard. You can assign roles, task each team member's performance, set daily action limit, and collaborate on other campaigns. The activity control feature is practically smart. It automatically adjusts how aggressively Dripify sends invites and messages based on your account age and LinkedIn history, reducing the risk of account restriction. In my experience, the team tool are well designed, though they are only available on an advanced plan of $100 per month, which for some users find frustrating compared to other tools. Dripify's approach here is solid but not groundbreaking. Okay, let's talk money. Pricing starts at $59 per user per month for the basic plan, going up to $99 per month for the advanced plan, which include team management. There's also an enterprise tier with custom pricing for larger organization. Here's what each tier gets you. So basic gives you one Dripify campaign limited to daily quotes, best for testing the early strategies. Pro starts at $79 per month, unlock unlimited campaign, full daily quotas, and dedicated inbox. Advanced at $100 per month adds team management and extra LinkedIn safety features. Now here's the kicker. If you pay annually instead of monthly, which brings the pro plan down to around $59 per month, basic for $39 and advanced for $79 per month. In my take, it's mid-range pricing compared to other tools around for $35 per month or enterprise tools like a sales robot for $100 per month. Dripify sits comfortably in the middle for what you get, especially the analytics and ease of use. It's fair value. Here's what I like about Dripify. First, super easy to use. The interface is very easy. Even if you've never used LinkedIn automation before, you will have the campaign running in 15 minutes. No complete training needed. Second, it's a cloud-based and safe. It's running in the cloud, so you don't need to leave your computer on. Plus, Dripify assigns you a dedicated IP from a region and mimics the human behavior, which significantly reduces the risk of LinkedIn account getting banned or restricted. Though it's not 100% bulletproof. If you use other automation like Galaxy, which has Chrome extension, they've recently moved to cloud-based, but usually Chrome extension-based automations get you banned very quickly. So that's a huge plus. Third, great analytics. Real-time dashboard shows exactly which campaign works, which messages get reply, and which prospect drops off. The actionable data is gold for optimizing LinkedIn outreach. Fourth, excellent communication and resources. Dripify provides pre-built templates, tutorials, and sequence example. The learning curve is minimal, and you're not left figuring things out alone. But Dripify is not perfect, and here are the real drawbacks. Limited inbox visibility. Dripify Smart Inbox only shows messages from the prospect you have already contacted through Dripify. If someone messages you directly on LinkedIn through Recruiter, you won't see it in the Dripify. That's frustrating if you're juggling multiple LinkedIn accounts. Onboarding can be clunky. In my experience, I've tried to sign up using my own LinkedIn profile, but it was not working. I tried to reach out to the customer support, which was a bit slow. And at the end of the day, I have to change it to a different browser and try it with a different LinkedIn account. It worked. So yeah, it can be a clunky a bit. A lot of users on Reddit also reported the same thing. Third, team pricing adds up very fast. Per seat pricing means if you add second team member, you're paying another $79 or $100 per month. That quickly gets expensive for agencies and large team. No team discount I've seen so far. Account restrictions still happen. While Dripify has built-in protection, some users reported LinkedIn account getting restricted even when using default settings. LinkedIn's detection algorithms are getting very smarter and no tools is 100% safe right now. You always have to remember that. Limited advanced logic. Once you launch the campaign, you can edit or duplicate it. If you want to test variation or add steps, you need to start over. Some users find this limit frustrating. Sixth is slow customer support. As I told you earlier, I tried to sign up and I was trying to reach out to the customer support, but it used to take few days to reply back to me. And it was a big red flag for me. Based on multiple Reddit conversation, delayed responses or unhelpful support is very common. So who should use this? I'd say Dripify fits best for solo founders and one-person sales team. If you're doing your own outreach, want to save time without complexity, Dripify is a friend. The LinkedIn automation is solid for building pipeline of qualified candidates and following up at scale. Small marketing teams, agencies running campaigns for multiple clients, as long as you're okay with per seat pricing model. But if you're a large enterprise with complex multi-channel workflow, or if you need advanced condition logic and CRM, you might find Dripify too limited. There are other pricier alternatives that offer much more customization and enterprise features. Similarly, if you're price sensitive and only need LinkedIn automation, cheaper alternative exist, though this might sacrifice some of the ease of use of using Dripify. Overall, I would rate Dripify a solid 7.5 out of 10. It's a well-built tool that does one thing really well, simplifying LinkedIn automation for small and mid-sized operations. Here's my final take. Dripify is best if you want to automate your LinkedIn outreach without a steep learning curve, and you don't need email-heavy workflow or complex team logic. The key takeaway is it's ideal if you want to set up a campaign, generate lead, and scale your network without managing 5 different tools. That's it. The per seat pricing and limited advanced features means it's not for everyone. But for what it is, a focused LinkedIn automation platform, it's delivering solid value. If you want to test Dripify, there's a free link in the description down below. You'll get a full access for 7 days, no credit card required. It's an affiliate link, so I might earn a small commission at no extra cost. If this review helped you decide, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling which sales tool you want me to review next. Whether it's Lemlist, Expandi, or Sales Robot, or something else, I'm listening. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.